Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. Phai University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Sa Kawei pat ka Liengsuiñ, jong ka Air India, ka Boeing 737, ka bami na Delhi banlet Sharanchi, bat ka batmu ban her khando, ha Birsa Munda Airport, ha ka pon riu arpo janmiet, ka hab ban Phai Biang sa Delhi, namarba ka don Jingthut ha Suiñ. Pani ka Liengsuiñ kami na Delhi, ha ka por saw arpusan janmiet, henrei ka hab ban Phai din no, bat kalami Biang, ha din bala pintik na, ba kamle leisyo. Kumban syupan kenmau, badang haka khat arterik mentau benai, ka Liengsuiñ jongga Air India, ka bami na Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport na Ahmedabad, ka batmu banlet sa London, ka labatay no, tang hadin katu kadni minen balami na airport, bad naki arspa saupu arngot, ki badan hapo, arspa saupu ingot kilayap, bad udan tang uway ubalat yem.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.